Alright, you guys, here we are. It's Christmas Eve. I'm here with Santa. He's getting ready. So it is my last day for the Advent calendar, and I think I have saved the best for last for Justin. There will be more explanation to come and more, hopefully, laughs out of him, but yeah, this one I have had for a while, and I was saving it for the last day. So I'm hoping it gets the reaction that I think it just might get. Let's see what he thinks. Let's go. Oh, Bersy.
Oh, Bersy tree, oh, Bersy tree.
I was gonna literally sing that and say at the end of it, it is your last Advent calendar day.
It's exciting. It's a little sad. But it's like one of those bittersweet things because it's like, you know, don't want to do it every day because it's not special.
Right.
But then it's sad because we've had an amazing time and it's probably
been a fun month.
One of the coolest traditions to really like add to what we've been doing.
Yeah.
And I'm like super excited. What do you think? Look Christmas Eve.
Yeah, look at him fancy. Let me get the wide.
Look at this, guys.
Look at you.
Hey J Crew, huh? How about this? Call me up, you know?
Milo's like, oh dear.
Pops, enough with the bougie stuff.
Pops. I can't with the pops. It's funny.
All right, here we go. You ready?
It's time.
We gotta work up for this drum roll. You ready?
24.
24. It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve.
Yep.
Is everybody ready for Santa? I hope everybody's been good because he's coming. He's got that sleigh packed.
Santa and I were actually just chatting that one. That one
Oh,
over
yeah?
there. The white one.
All right, all right.
He said he's gonna be busy, but you know.
I bet so.
He's
All
not
right.
even looking. He looked. He's like, what are you talking about?
Santa Claus?
That's been a running joke the last few days.
All right, I'll put my coffee down. Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Here we go.
Day 24, the last one.
24. Here we
See
go.
what we got.
All right.
Hanging by a thread.
What's the screaming goat? Oh my gosh, what is this?
It's literally a tiny
Become
goat.
owner of your very own screaming goat with this desktop companion. Press the tree stump button to hear the high-pitched bleats that cause the screaming goat sensation to go viral. Kit also includes a 32-page illustrated book of fun facts and trivia about these famed farm animals. All right,
Yeah.
we're gonna open this up. This is awesome.
So,
hold
it's
on,
pretty
hold on.
cool.
This is cool, guys. Let's just talk about this for a second. Why the screaming goat? I don't even know where. To
I know,
start.
I started, but I was like, maybe he'll explain more. But I don't know, you just like goats. Like,
We went to the Airbnb
Yeah.
earlier in the year. We found awesome companions. Like
Yeah.
there was a zebra, there's a kangaroo, there were some goats. Fell in love, and ever since I always say, you know what I really want in life? I want a piece of land and I want a farm. I want some goats, I want some chickens, and I just want to be like Farmer John. I love it. We love it.
Milo's reaction. He was like, oh no.
My Instagram is literally nothing but little baby goats
Yeah.
and filmmaking tutorials.
That's true. That is
This is
pretty much
awesome.
it.
Lovely. This is super cool. We gotta get some
I've had
B-roll
that
of
one
this.
for a while.
Really?
And I've been saving it for last.
All right,
That's what I
hold on.
told them.
The internet needs to know. Where did you find this?
On Amazon.
Whoa, that's freaking cool.
Yeah.
Excuse my language. That is so freaking cool.
I literally was looking just for a goat figurine for you to have that's small so you could have a goat, period. But then I found one that would scream and I was like, I don't care how much this is. It wasn't expensive, but still, I was like, it's a must.
Oh. All right. We are going to make this thing scream, you guys. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The unboxing.
I'm always unboxing stuff on this channel now.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, look at this 32-page. Oh, look at the
Yeah.
goats. Okay.
It's
hold
got
on.
a little like booklet / manual.
Wow, look at him.
It's cool.
Oh
It's
my
so
gosh.
plasticky. It's hard
He's
for us
so
to see him.
plasticky. You know what he looks like when you're like in the 90s and you went to McDonald's to get a Happy Meal?
Yes. And you got the wrapped toy. Yes, is exactly what it's like.
Pull the tab.
Oh boy. You're trying to figure out how to make him scream. Yeah, there's probably directions somewhere. Look at the thing.
Introduction. Goat quizzes.
Yeah, that booklet is not just about the toy, it's like about goats, period.
Oh yeah, no, it's like nothing, it's just like...
Oh, is that just that? What's on that piece of paper that was down there?
Hold on, there's a button on there?
Just any batteries or something? Oh my god. Hold on, wait. I want to close up when it happens. Wait, hold on, let me get it in focus. Excellent. Oh my god, Milo, look at Milo. Look at him. What a reaction. Simon's not scared of it. Surprise, surprise. Simon's the brave one.
Oh my gosh, I like it.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, it's so good.
Oh my gosh.
That's a 10 out of 10.
Oh, I love him.
I'm so happy with that.
I'm going to put him on my desk.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
And every day I'm going to start it with...
What a way to start the day.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
That's so funny.
This is perfect. This is a fantastic way to end
Your portion.
my portion of the Advent calendar. It's Christmas Eve. Santa's coming. I'm just overwhelmed. This has just been a phenomenal thing. If you guys love the journey, let us know
your favorite part.
Absolutely. I hope everybody has an amazing holiday, a fantastic Christmas. Do something special. Enjoy the time with your family. Enjoy the time with your loved ones. Just embody the Christmas spirit. Be merry.